Hey campus, good evening. This is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. I reached out to you earlier today and I promised to send you a video. So here it is. Excuse me. I just wanted to show you 3 tips you can use and really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let's get started. I see that you do not have a website. You have some postings here and you have some reviews. That's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to one of your competitions. So this guy here, this is Gulf Coast Fence. So I'm gonna talk to you about today is I'm gonna talk to you about content, and then keywords, and then backlinks. So all of these are content. Let me see here. So anything that you can highlight, whether they are images, text, or anything behind the images, they are all content. So if I have to really want to do your website, there are 2 things we have to do. First, we have to have at least 1,500 content on your homepage. And secondly, we have to have some keywords. For example, if you have stuff like this, chain link fence, wood fence, Houston, Texas, or Pasadena, wood fence, Pasadena, or Sugarland, whatever area you're serving, and we have all these keywords that will link to another site. And when anybody comes in here and Google that, you'll be really relevant, and Google will be willing to put you at the top. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google think you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable. So I went ahead and checked this out. Hold on here. All right, let's use this one. So I went ahead and checked out Fence Repair Houston. So this is called Map Park. And these 3 right here are the ones that are receiving a lot of work. That's because they are easy to find. As soon as you come in here, you see them. And there are 3 reasons why they are here. First, having a Google business profile. Secondly, optimizing as much as possible. And third, getting your name, address, and phone number into many directories as possible. And this right here, this is called organic section. If you look here, you can see one of your competitions, Gulf Coast Fence. They are right here at the organic section. This is huge for them to be here, which means they're doing pretty well. So it's good to be here at the organic section as well as here at the Map Park. That will give you more authority and then more search. Because when anybody comes in here, you are right here and then over here. They're going to be always clicking on your name. And that clicks will eventually turn into calls, which will eventually turn into customers. So this is where you want to be, and also here. And sometimes people run some ad, which is called Google Ads. Nobody's running ad today. So it's called Google Ads. So it's okay, good to run some ads as well. So this right here is called Aries. It's a paid program. I normally use it to research on websites. It shows me the numbers that customers have. So I went ahead and searched your competition because you do not have a website, so I cannot search your website. So this is Gulf Coast Fence. So I went ahead and searched them to see what we are up against. So here they have DR 0.8. These numbers here are very important to where you fall within the Google search result. DR ratings are kind of power ratings with Google. And these numbers are generally increased by the amount of backlinks you have on this site. So this is their backlinks. You see, they have a lot of backlinks. So backlinks give this one increase. Okay. So another important thing here is organic keywords. I mentioned to you earlier. Let's see here. So these are the keywords, like the things people are searching every day. So this is the value. This is how many times people have searched, for example, fence repair Houston. So if you have something like this, people will be searching it all the time. As you see, you have 350. That's how many times people have searched it this month. And let's say this is a Houston fence company. So these guys have a lot of local keywords. That's what we call it. So it's good to have most of these keywords that will be giving you a lot of value, which will eventually turn into customers. So we have talked about content, having a lot of content on your website, and then backlinks, and then keywords. So I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks and have a great evening.